What about the representations and warranties of the seller? How important is that? And what are you guys looking for in seller representations and warranties?
One of the things you're looking for is who's making that rep and who are they responsible for in terms of the knowledge that they have. So you're asking them to tell you about the property, to provide the information about it, and does that include the agents of seller, and does that include third party management and that sort of thing. So I think that's one important thing. Sellers are going to want to say it's only actual knowledge only of the seller, entity or individual, his or herself. And obviously, if you're a buyer, you want the entire crew on the hook, as many people as possible, so that you're getting the full amount of information and you're getting those reps and warranties from all the folks, rather than just one limited person and their limited knowledge there. So that's one thing that comes to mind right off the bat when you're looking at those.
Yep. That's good, because I never think about that. I mean, you put a seller's representation and warranties in there, but when it's an LLC or a corporation, I never even would have thought, oh, well, let's make sure that we're going through the list
all
of
affiliates.
Yeah.
Especially if it's owned by an investor who lives on the other side of the country and they just hire other, they have a staff maybe, but usually it's third parties and those sort of things. So,
and I'll just add in there's a really important part of a buy and sell on any size, any decent sized deal is just like the relationship to the seller and, between the parties, whether it's brokers or amongst actually the owners and the potential owner. Is like, you got to, try to spend time with these people, because your gut can be right a lot of times, right? Show up to the property, spend the time that you need to at the property, talk to people at the property if you can, without getting yourself in trouble. But like, we've had a lot of deals go sideways just because people are like, I didn't get a good feeling about the person, and there's real value to that. And it's worth listening to if your gut tells you to bail.